One of the things I've learned in a business environment is constructive feedback can feel like criticism a lot of the time. I've learned to try to not make it personal. When you're trying to help somebody, they have to understand you're coming from a good place. There's a technique I use where rather than saying, you talk over people in meetings and you shouldn't do that, I'll say, I've observed in some of our meetings a situation where somebody will be making a point or explaining themselves. A couple of times I've seen you break in before they've finished their point. You may not notice it, but what I see in them is they then believe that you don't respect what they had to say. It's a demotivator for them. And so next time, maybe what you do is you wait until somebody's finished a point and then give it a couple of beats before you have to come in and speak. You describe the situation, a behavior that you've observed, the impact it has on a team or on another individual, and then make a suggestion for how they could do it differently. And it now doesn't sound like it's criticism. It's a way to get to a different outcome.